Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Happy New Year to you. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you consider watching it to the end, and you'll consider liking the video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And if you are new here, I hope you consider staying and becoming a regular. So on today's video, I'll be taking you guys through the steps that I followed in making my vision board. Yeah, maybe I can inspire someone or guide you to make a vision board, not just a basic one that is aesthetically pleasing but also very functional and realistic. So to make my vision board, I had to note down some of the things that I wanted to do or a plan to guide me, and I just want to point that down for you guys here on this video so that you can be able to follow through and come up with your own vision board. And without much further ado, let me get into it. So when you want to make a vision board, the first thing that you have to consider, you have to choose your focus area. You can do this by narrowing down the areas of your life that you want to improve. You can also table it down, use a table to clarify on that. For example, you want to focus on your career, your health, relationships, personal growth, lifestyle. You just use a table to note that down so that I can be able to know exactly what you're working on. And the next thing that is very crucial is for you to set specific targets for each focus area. For example, career wise, you might be looking for a promotion at your job area, or looking for a new job that is maybe paying, let's say, 20% more than your current job. You can have that as a focus area, or you can have your health as a focus area. For example, for me, one of the things that I'm really working on this year is my health, and specifically my weight and eating habits. I have a whole plan on how I want to be eating this year. I'm coming up with meal preps and meal plans to help me, and also I'm planning to actively be working out this year. I have a target weight that I want to be at come end of the year 2025, and I have that in very detailed on my vision board so that every day that I look at it, I remember, by December I have to be at 55 kgs or whichever my goal weight is. You can have that as your focus area as well, and you have to set specific targets for each focus area. For your career, it can be a salary raise, or for your health, it can be a target for weight or something. Maybe let's say you're working on personal development, you can decide to read 12 books by the end of the year, or a book every month. You can just know what exactly it is that you're working on or what you want to achieve. The next step after you have set specific targets for your focus areas is you going out to wherever you prefer and collect inspiring images and quotes. For me, I prefer Pinterest. By this, it's going to help you visualize and be able to see your goals in a visual form, like somewhere you can see it. You can use Pinterest, you can use magazines or print internet photographs. Choose motivating quotes for each focus area. Add personal images such as your fantasy holiday destination or your family, for example, or let's say you want to buy yourself a new phone or just something. And you can use by doing that, it's going to help you every day have your goal in a visual form and manifest it. And when you do this, remember to choose bright, joyful colors that are going to be exciting for you. And by the end of the year, you'll be able to look at your vision board and tick off everything that you're able to do. Or you can do this when you achieve that goal. For example, you had set to buy something. When you buy it, just tick off on your vision board as you go. After you have collected inspiring images and quotes or pictures to visualize on your vision board, you cut them to fit your own idea or vision that you have, or however you want your vision board to look, and then you can attach them on whatever you want to attach them on. You can use a canvas or manila paper or just a board, whatever works for you, and display it where you'll always see it, because visibility is essential for staying motivated. You can hang it next to a desk, a mirror, or a bed. You can take a photo for your phone wallpaper. Review it every morning or before bed to help you internalize your goals, because seeing it every day increases your determination to succeed, and it's gonna remind you every day that this is what you are working towards, and it's going to help you be grounded and focus on your goals rather than just doing everything and anything all the time, After you have displayed, you have stick to your images on the canvas board or wherever you have displayed it, and you have it hanged on your most convenient area where you can see it every day. It's advisable, or I would advise you reflect and refresh quarterly, or let's say monthly. For me, I'll do it monthly. Like every month I'll go back to my vision board and try and see what area was I able to work on this month. But if a month is a little bit too overwhelming for you, you can reflect or refresh quarterly to keep your vision board alive by updating on regular basis. Remove by this you can remove completed goals or create new ones, or you can reflect on progress, what worked, what changes, what's necessary to change, what changed, what didn't work out. And you can also use it as a tool for growth, not as a nice decoration. And guys, those are the very easy 6 steps that's gonna help you come up with a very functional and cute vision board. I hope you're going to get into it, choose to work on yourself, choose to work on your goals, because 90 days from now you could have lost some weight or picked up some great habits or gotten rid of stupid time wasting addictions and be well on your way to achieving your long-term goals. Or you could just be 90 days older with the same lifestyle you have today. The choice is yours. You decide what you want to do with your life. I really hope that this short narration of mine is going to help you, whoever is listening, to come up with a vision board that is going to guide you into your year and help you pen down your goals and vision for the year 2025 and help you in working towards your goals. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed me doing that, and let me know on the comment section what's your take on this video, whether you'd like for me to come and be reviewing my vision board with you here or not. Just let me know on the comment section. Interact with this video, like, and also watch the video to the end. Please, guys, help me hit those watch hours, because that's the milestone I'm aiming for on my YouTube channel this year. And I know I've neglected this channel so much the past year, almost 5 months plus, and I'm sorry for that. I was just going through something and I took the break to help me focus on other areas in my life. But this year I'm committed to be active here, so as I'll be working on bringing you guys content that is going to be fun, educating, inspiring, and entertaining. I hope you're also going to help me achieve my goal for getting the YouTube watch hours by watching my videos to the end, liking my videos to help YouTube push it to more audience out there, and also sharing my videos with your friends, yeah, or your socials, just to help me reach more people and get a wider audience to be able to achieve my goal a little bit more fast. And yeah, I know you guys are sweethearts, and I know I can count on you for that. That's it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video and share. I wish you guys a very productive year, a very peaceful year 2025. I speak blessings over your lives. I speak favor over your lives. I speak dreams come true for you guys, achieved goals, and a peaceful, happy, healthy life. And I know you guys wish me the same, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, I love you all. Mwah.